To replace the LED light, as you can see over here, we have one light over there. It actually has a red color, so it doesn't really show very well on the video, but that one has a red color. That's a red light right there. So you might want to mark that one, and then we're just gonna unplug the power cable and start replacing that. Okay, as you can see that we have already labeled this one, which is the one that we're gonna replace, because we put a different color over the light, so that we know how to take care of that. And basically, we're gonna remove this this piece over here. It has a mask. It has 9 different screws on there. Okay, after you have removed all the screws, just gently remove the mask. Then get a little needle or something sharp so you can remove the plastic on there. Make sure you remove it like a very clean, so that way, you know, when you replace it back, there won't be any like unwanted stuff on there. Then you're gonna get a heater, just a heat over the light. Give it about like a 20-30 seconds, then you can try to remove that. And after you remove the light, you might want to clean it again. You clean it like make sure there's nothing left on there. Then we're gonna prepare it for the welding. Okay, now we're gonna place back the LED bulb. So weld it back. And when you guys weld it back, just make sure there's like 3 pins at the bottom. Make sure all the 3 pins are not connected together, and that's it. Then we're gonna do a test. Just plug back in the power, and perfectly. You're gonna switch around for all the colors, make sure it's functioning properly.
Okay.
And the next thing we do is just cover back the plastic part. Yeah, this one is actually waterproof, so it actually helps to protect the PCB boards. Just make sure it covers all the areas. And then next, just place back the mask. And just place back the screws afterwards, and you should be good to go.